Hi everyone, welcome to
amazing channel of Brilliant Katha.
When you are rubbing one body with another body, electrons are transferred from one object to another object. Okay, this process, this type of electricity is been given a name.
halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving two equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into two equal half this fin.
Hi dear students, good evening everyone. Here we are going for the next session of chemistry from the chapter Aldehydes, Ketones and Carboxylic Acid. Most of the students demand about this chapter to discuss the important questions. So dear all, overall organic chemistry, out of 70 board exam paper, overall organic chemistry, when you consider 33 marks from organic chapter, okay, 33 marks from organic chapter itself. So aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid is the highest weightage organic chapter which carries around 8 marks, okay, 8 marks. Especially from aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, we can expect 2 MCQs. 2 MCQs are most frequent question from which one? Aldehyde chapter. They were asked 2023 board exam paper, they were asked a very simple question, very simple question they were asked from this chapter aldehyde ketones. You know what is the importance of this chapter because this is a lengthy chapter, yes or no? Aldehydes, many named reactions, lot of normal reactions, distinguishing tests, many are there. So I want to discuss all kind of conversions, all kind of distinguishing, all theory we have to revise today within this 1 hour. So I think we all are ready and we can able to start the session. Yes Reem, good evening. Good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. Can you please comment in the chat box how many are there? Good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. And we are in a I hope you all are in a busy schedule now. You already made your own timetable. You started your preparation, self-preparation. This is the time for your self-preparation. Okay, so let me go for the 2023 examination. 2023 examination, what was the question? What was the question they were asked from the chapter? Aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. Here we have the question. Which of the following does not give Cannizzaro reaction? Which of the following does not give Cannizzaro reaction? Do you have an answer? Can you comment in the chat box here all? Which of the following does not give Cannizzaro reaction? Yes Chris, good evening. Yes Satya, good evening. Smriti, good evening. Which of the following does not give Cannizzaro reaction? You know that what is the condition required for Cannizzaro reaction? Yes, Cannizzaro reaction mean there should not be any alpha hydrogen, no alpha hydrogen in the compound. If there is no alpha hydrogen in the compound, the aldehyde ketone react with what? That concentrated alkali, it will give corresponding alcohol and sodium or potassium salt of acid. That's what we call that Cannizzaro reaction. Dear all, even for your name reaction question, also we can expect what is Cannizzaro, what is Getterman-Koch reaction, what is Itard reaction, Rosenmund reaction, Stephen reaction, all kind questions also we can expect. So be careful about that one. So which of the following does not give Kennedy's arrow? I think the answers are already that's Reem given by Reem already given that as option B is the correct answer. Yes dear all, option B is the right answer because this is the aldehyde and aldehyde connected carbon is called alpha carbon. See, alpha carbon contain hydrogen. Yes, alpha hydrogen is there. You know, if it contain alpha hydrogen, it do not give Kennedy's arrow reaction, it will give aldol condensation process, right? So here you see, this is the aldehyde, this is the alpha carbon, no alpha hydrogen. This is the aldehyde, this is the alpha carbon, no alpha hydrogen. What about this? This is the aldehyde, there is no alpha carbon, so no alpha hydrogen. Option B is the correct answer. This was the question they were asked in 2023 board exam paper. I will show you one more. I will show you one more question what they were asked in 2023 board exam. All of you carefully listen. Aldehyde and ketone. Very quick answer. Immediately you can able to answer this question. Aldehyde and ketone react with hydroxylamine. You know what is hydroxylamine? NH2OH. Come on my dear students, which one? Aldehydes and ketone react with the hydroxylamine. What is the final product? I hope you will give a correct answer for this one. Yes, with the yes, B, D, oxime. Okay, so you know dear all, what do you mean by hydrazone? Hydrazone mean when aldehyde or ketone react with the hydrazine, NH2, then the product is called what? Hydrazone, not that. What is cyanohydrin? You know, aldehyde or ketone when react with the hydrogen cyanide, HCN, the product is called what? Cyanohydrin. And what about semicarbazone? If the aldehyde or ketone react with the semicarbazide, then the product is called what? Semicarbazone. And what about oxime? Yes, that is our answer. I think Reem ji already given the correct answer. That is option D, oxime. You know, when aldehyde or ketone when react with the hydroxylamine, NH2OH, you know, H2O gone, you will get C double bond NOH. Yes, this product what we call oxime. You may studied this reaction in our glucose, that biomolecule chapter also we studied this reaction. Where we studied this reaction? You know, glucose when react with the hydroxylamine, it will produce glucose oxime, which indicate that glucose contain one carbonyl group. Yes, so here answer is option D. See dear all, a very simple question they were asked in 2023. Hopefully we can expect a very simple question for your board exam also. So for that we have to clarify our all doubts and which all type, which all ways they can ask, that we are going to study next question onwards. So hope you all are ready. Here we have the question dear all. When acetaldehyde is heated with a filling solution, it gives a red precipitate of. Can you give an answer dear all? Can you give an answer dear all? Yes, Davina, that's Reem. All of you, can you give the answer? When acetaldehyde, what is acetaldehyde? Acetaldehyde is CH3CHO dear all. That is ethanol. Acetaldehyde is nothing but ethanol. When acetaldehyde is heated with a filling solution, what is filling solution? CuO, copper oxide, along with the base and heat. You may study that filling solution, it's an oxidizing agent. The aldehyde become acid, CH3COO minus, along with the, what are the byproducts? What are the byproducts in filling solution dear all? Cu2O. Very good my dear student. Very good. Cu2O along with the what? H2O. You know, during filling solution, filling test, what is happening? Copper oxide become cuprous oxide, Cu2O. Where Cu2O is in a reddish, right? You know, that is the one with having a reddish brown precipitate. So Cu2O is forming. How many of them are given the correct answer? Option D, Smriti given, Reem given, Chris, okay, G and yes, cuprous oxide. So Cu2O is the correct answer dear all. So keep this mind. And this tolerance test, Felling's test, these type, they are distinguishing tests. They can ask you the reaction also. So please study the reaction for at least one compound, and general reaction also we have to know. Tolerance reagent, which is given by all aldehydes, right? All aldehydes, aliphatic, aromatic, all. What about Felling? Felling test is given by, can you please comment in the chat box here all? Felling's test is given by dash aldehydes. Can you write the answer in the chat box? Felling solution is given by dash aldehydes. Felling solution test is given by dash aldehyde. Do you have an answer? Very good, Smriti. That is aliphatic aldehydes, right? Aliphatic aldehydes. So distinguishing test in their area. Please study all these points. Next question here for you. Formic acid. You know what is formic acid? Formic acid is methanoic acid. Formic acid and formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is methanol. So formic acid is HCOOH and formaldehyde is HCHO. Can be distinguished by which reaction? Which method can be used to distinguish between formic acid and formaldehyde? They are asking which one can be used to distinguish. Hope you have an answer. Hope you have an answer. Formic acid and formaldehyde means an aldehyde and acid can be distinguished by which method? Which method? Which method, Chris? Smriti? Yes, correct answer. Correct answer, no doubt. No doubt. Option D, sodium bicarbonate test. Sodium bicarbonate test is given by what? Carboxylic acid only. Sodium bicarbonate test is only given by carboxylic acid. It is not given by aldehyde. Yes, dear all, sodium bicarbonate is the correct answer. Yes, let's go for the next question. We have, which of the following order of relative strength of acid is correct? They are asking you, what is the correct order of acidity? What is the correct order of acidity? You know that. What are the factors affecting acidity? Electron withdrawing group if there, minus I effect group if there, they will increase the acidity. Electron donating group or plus I effect is there, they will decrease the acidity, that you know. So tell me, dear all, which one is the correct order of their acidity? Here again the answer, Smriti, that is given as option D, and Aditya also given that is option D. I think that answer is correct because option D, both all are acid, all are ethanoic acid, all are CH2COH ethanoic acid. Only the difference, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. You know that fluorine, chlorine, bromine, halogens are very good Tanvi. Yes, be careful about this one here. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine. You know which is the most, all are halogen, right? All are halogen. You know which is the most strong withdrawing group? Fluorine is the most strong electron withdrawing group. Fluorine is the most electronegative element. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine is there. Fluorine is the strong withdrawing group. It makes the acid more acidic. So let's go with option D, fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Option D is the correct answer. Yes, Ring. Okay, let's go for the next question. Which is the one of the good question? All of you try to give a correct answer here. Which of the following is most suitable reagent for this conversion? To convert this one to this, which is the best reagent? Can you say a correct answer, my dear student? You read, you take your time, read the question very carefully. Yes, Taigun, okay, good. Yes. And Shaza, okay, Smriti and Athya already given the answer. I think we have to be careful about this point once again. Yes. Definitely, Taigun. Definitely we have to do like that. Yes, Karthik, it's given C. Dear all, this test is nothing but, that is our iodoform test. How it is iodoform test, dear all? Iodoform test is given by the species with what? CH3CO group. Can you see CH3CO group here? Yes, this one can give iodoform test. What is happening in iodoform? Let me take the compound. Okay, CH3, CH double bond, CCH3, CO, CH3. This is our compound. See dear all, our compound contain CH3CO group. So it will give what? Iodoform test. Am I right? So if it giving iodoform test, how can we write the reaction? How can we write the reaction? What is iodoform test? Treat with the sodium hydroxide and iodine. Then what happened? In the COCH3 group, the CH3 part becomes CHI3, that is our iodoform color, yellow color. What about the other part? The other entire part become what? The acid, sodium salt or potassium salt. It's sodium salt, sodium hydroxide. So it becomes the sodium salt of acid. We will get the byproduct as CH3, CH, double bond CCH3, C double bond O, that is ONA. That is O minus Na plus. So dear all, in the process of iodoform test, iodoform test is given by aldehyde, ketone and alcohol, right? The iodoform test is given by aldehyde, ketone and alcohol. If it is an aldehyde or ketone, they should contain which group? CH3CO group. If it is an alcohol, they should contain what? CH3CHOH group. Yes or no? So this is a ketone and it contains that group, so it will give iodoform test. In iodoform test, the CH3 become CHI3 and the remaining part become salt of sodium. That's the process is given here. Yes, I think most of the students given the correct answer. Let's go with option C. Iodine and NaOH is the reaction. Tolerance reagent we know. Tolerance reagent, why can't we use here? Tolerance reagent is only given by aldehyde. Tolerance reagent is only given by aldehyde. It is a ketone. So it won't give the test. Yes, dear all? Okay. Yes, clear. Okay, there you go. What? Let's go. Next question. The formation of cyanohydrin from a ketone is an example of which of the following reaction? One of the easiest question. Yeah, Chris, that's given by aldehydes. And ketones. Even that acids part will give it. So the formation of cyanohydrin from a ketone is an example of. What is this reaction, dear all? Let me take a ketone here, to which how you get cyanohydrin HCN. When you add hydrogen cyanide to an aldehyde or ketone, the CN nucleophile will attack, O become O minus, to the O minus H will attack, you will get OH and CN. This process is known as, or this product is known as what? Cyanohydrin. The addition of hydrogen cyanide we studied under nucleophilic addition reaction. Yes or no? Nucleophilic. Very careful, dear all. Very careful while answering the MCQ question. Nucleophilic addition is there. Nucleophilic substitution is there. Here you see that just addition is over, right? Addition is over. That is nucleophilic addition reaction. My dear students, I am expecting the answer from you. Yes, Shaza, G, Reem, Tanvi, Karthik, all are given the correct answer. Good, dear all. So addition of HCN, addition of NaHSO3, sodium hydrogen sulfide, and the addition of alcohol to ketone, hemiacetal, hemiketal, ketal, that area also. These all are coming under what? That addition of nucleophile. All are belongs to what? Nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, so careful. Then next question, which aldehyde? I told you 2023 they asked the same type of one question regarding Cannizzaro reaction. Which aldehyde will give Cannizzaro reaction? That means no alpha hydrogen in the compound. Which one? Which aldehyde will give Cannizzaro reaction? Means the aldehyde which do not contain any alpha hydrogen. Can you say which aldehyde will give a Cannizzaro reaction, which means there is no alpha hydrogen? Which one? Which one, Smriti? Yes, all are given, all are given. Yes, make it more. Yes, dear all. Yes, option C is the correct answer, because option C, there is no alpha hydrogen. This is the aldehyde, this is the alpha carbon. See, on that alpha carbon, no alpha hydrogen. So definitely we can say C is the reaction, right? C is the compound. Next question, dear all, propionic acid. You know, propionic acid is nothing but propanoic acid. Okay, propionic acid with a bromine with a phosphorus. Can you please tell me what is the name of this reaction? Please wait, please wait. Please don't say the answer. Please wait. My question: propanoic acid is there. It's reacting with the bromine and phosphorus. Can anyone say what is the name of this reaction? What is the name of the reaction? Which one? Arnav, no. Only one carboxylic acid. That is what? That methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. That is the only one. Give the tolerance one. Tanvi is, yes, given the correct answer. The G also given the correct answer. That is what? HVZ reaction. Hell-Volhard Zelinsky reaction. Very good. HVZ reaction. Very good here. Very good. Very good. So propanoic acid, let me take propanoic acid. Now I am giving the chance to write the answer for this one, for this question in the chat box. Now can you write the answer in the chat box here all? Propanoic acid is CH3, CH2, COOH. They are adding bromine in presence of red phosphorus. All right, fine. But the question is, which will give a dibromo? We actually studied only monobromo. Yes or no? When we adding bromine or one halogen, either chlorine or bromine, when we adding into an halogen, sorry, an acid, what happened? From the alpha carbon, one hydrogen lose, one halogen substitute. Correct? So let me remove one hydrogen, let me add one halogen. You will get CH3, CHBr, then we have one COOH. But they did dibromo, which means 2 times they added bromine. So where the bromine, where the second bromine can attack, that's also the same position. That is also on the same position where the one of the alpha hydrogen, remove one more alpha hydrogen is there. So this hydrogen also we can remove. On that place what you can arrange, dear all, on that place you can put one more bromine. Where is this option? Where is this option? That is option, I think, what are the answers given? C is given. Can you please check it once again? Can you please check it once again whether it is C or D? What is this compound? What is this compound? CH3, CBr2, right? CBr2, then COOH. Where it is? Where it is? That is option D, my dear student. Option D, okay, option D, yeah, option D is correct. So what is the point here? Study what is HVZ reaction, Hell-Volhard Zelinsky reaction. And after that we have to know that where the adding halogen get added. The halogen, whether bromine or chlorine, if you are adding with the red phosphorus, halogen, the halogen attached to the carbon, which is alpha carbon. Okay, so remove one alpha hydrogen, add one halogen. If you want dibromo means remove 2 alpha hydrogen, add 2 bromine. That's it. Okay, and one more question let me tell you, dear all, regarding HVZ reaction, they can ask one another question, that is, they give you 4 acid. I will show you that question last, okay. They will give you 4 acid and they ask you which will undergo HVZ reaction or which will not give HVZ reaction, like that. So what is the condition to show HVZ reaction? Presence of alpha hydrogen. Okay, the acid must contain alpha hydrogen, then only it can give what? The HVZ reaction. Please keep in mind. Okay, here answer is option D. I'm going for the next question. Here I won't say anything regarding this question now. You read the question, give an answer. You read the question and give an answer. Amalgamated zinc. I think that point is enough to get this answer, right? Amalgamated zinc, you know, zinc amalgam along with the concentrated HCl, aldehydes and ketones are converted into hydrocarbon. Aldehydes and ketones you can convert it to hydrocarbon by using zinc amalgam and concentrated HCl is known as is known as what? That is called what? Clemmensen reduction, right? Clemmensen reduction, option B. Dear all, what is dose reduction or what is dose process? You know, chlorobenzene to phenol. What is that? Co-reduction is not in our thing. And Wolff-Kishner reduction. You know, Clemmensen and Wolff-Kishner are both same. Same conversion. Same aldehyde ketone we can convert it to what? Hydrocarbon. But what is the difference? What is the difference in Clemmensen and Wolff-Kishner? You know, Wolff-Kishner we are using hydrazine. Hydrazine followed by ethylene glycol or KOH and heat, right? But here we are using Clemmensen, zinc amalgam and HCl. Yes, good answers. Hope you all are revising and giving the correct answer here also. When I am saying something, see these kind of questions we can expect, or this related topic, these all type of question they can ask. That's sure. So when we discussing something, concentrate on that one and try to recollect whether I studied this area or not. Okay, keep going. Okay, thank you all. Let's go for the next question. How can pentan, this is a very direct question from NCRT. How can pentan 2-on and pentan 3-on are differentiated? There is just one answer in 1 second. Just one answer in 1 second. I hope you won't make any mistake in this one. Pentan 2-on and pentan 3-on can be distinguished by which test? This is what? Pentan 2-on and this is what? Pentan 3-on. Pentan 2-on and pentan 3-on. How can we distinguish? I hope you will say the correct answer for this one. Yes, option A. Arnav, Smriti, Karthik, Philip, Neem already given the correct answer. That is option A, iodoform test, because pentan 2-on contain that CH3CO group. Here it is not there. Iodoform test is the one which will give this one. Very good. Here all. Let's go. Toluene is oxidized to benzaldehyde by chromyl chloride is called. One of the easiest question. And chromyl chloride, I think that is enough to get this answer. Chromyl chloride, you know, CrO2Cl2, chromyl chloride. Conversion of toluene to benzaldehyde by treating chromyl chloride is known as, nothing to search textbook or notebook and all. It's already there in your mind. Yes, you are giving the correct answer. Option A, Ittard reaction, right? Option A, Ittard reaction. Dear all, can you please recover? The other reaction also? Just think about those other reaction very fast, very quick. What is the second one? Reimer-Tiemann reaction. What is Reimer-Tiemann? Conversion of phenol to salicyl aldehyde by treating aqueous NaOH and chloroform. Right? Conversion of phenol to salicyl aldehyde. What is phenol to salicylic acid? Coles reaction. And what is here? Woods reaction. Woods reaction is to combine two haloalkane to bring alkane. And what is Cannizzaro? That already we discussed. Aldehyde or ketone with no alpha hydrogen react with the concentrated alkali, form what? Alcohol and acid, right? Yes, let's go for the next one. Which of the following carbonyl compound is most polar? One of the simple question and tricky question. Tell me, dear all. I'm writing the compound once again, okay? C2H5, CO, C2H5. Next. CH3, CO, CH3, propanol. Next. CH3, COH. Next, HCHO. In which compound having the carbonyl compound is more polar? Can you give the correct answer? Just try all of it. Just try first. Okay, I'm getting answer D and C. I'm getting two answers now, D and C. Those who are in online, don't be silent, okay? Don't be quiet. It's nothing going to happen if you be quiet. Try to say something, make correction, no problem. Okay, option D and option C are the two answers I'm getting. Let me check the thing. Dear all, you know, carbonyl group is CO group. You may study that in carbonyl group, carbon and oxygen, because of two different element, oxygen, you know, it's more electronegative element, it carry a partial negative charge, and carbon carry a partial positive charge. You may study this one, right? In carbonyl compound, carbon carry positive charge, oxygen carry negative charge because of their electronegativity difference. Now it is highly polar. Now it is highly polar. High charge separation is there. High positive and negative charge. It can increase, it can decrease because of the attached group. If there is any electron donating group, dear all, suppose let me add electron donating group on left and right side. If there is electron donating group present left and right side, what happen? What happen if there is more electron donating groups comes? They will donate electrons to carbon. So carbon getting electron. Electron is negative. So this positive charge will decrease. The positive charge will decrease. So nucleophile cannot attack. Their polarity decreases. So my question, why point? Let me note you all of you. In carbonyl compound, more electron donating group if present, what happened? The polarity of the carbonyl group decreases. Now you have an answer. This is, you know, all are alkyl group, all are donating group, alkyl group, donating group, here one alkyl group, here only hydrogen. So here in all these three cases, donating groups are there, so they will decrease the polarity. I will go with option D is the correct answer. Okay, dear all, yes or no? Yes or no, Chris? Option D is the correct answer. So more electron donating group mean polarity of the carbonyl group decreases. Clear all? Yes. Let me go for the next question. I think here also my help is not required for you. You can give a correct answer. Come on, dear all. Come on, dear all. Read the question carefully. Give a answer within second. Come on, come on. Where is the answer? Where is the answer? Where is the answer? Don't sleep there, okay? Don't sleep there. Be active, be active. Benzaldehyde can be prepared from benzene. Benzene to benzaldehyde. Benzene to benzaldehyde, we studied one reaction that is called the Getterman-Koch reaction. Getterman-Koch reaction. What is Getterman-Koch reaction reagent? Carbon monoxide, HCl, anhydrous AlCl3CuCl, right? Yes, the answer is which one? Option B, Getterman-Koch reaction. Very careful, dear all. When they giving the option, maybe Getterman reaction will be there, Getterman-Koch reaction will be there. Very careful, okay? Getterman-Koch reaction mean benzene to benzaldehyde. That is Getterman-Koch reaction, benzene to benzaldehyde. If they asking you the diazonium salt into chlorobenzene or bromobenzene, then we are using copper powder and all. That is what Getterman reaction, right? So be careful about that one. Next question, find the product of the given reaction. Find the product of the given reaction. You can able to see acetophenone is given here, it's a ketone, and there is a amine is given. What happened? A simple reaction, you can answer very fast. I'm giving 1 minute. Find the product of the following reaction. Reem, okay, one answer is there. Flip, okay, one answer is there. Chris, given the answer. Swati, okay. I think most of you are going with B, right? What is this reaction actually? We studied aldehydes or ketone when reacted with ammonia derivatives. You may studied many ammonia derivatives, right? Hydrazine, hydroxylamine, semicarbazide, and many phenylhydrazine and all. Many the ammonia derivatives reaction you may study, right? So here what you have to do that, it's an aldehyde or ketone, it's an amine. What happened? This oxygen, this H2, please cut it, remove as H2O. What is left in the system? You have benzene, then with a CH3 double bond, right? On double bond, this nitrogen will attack. NCH2 CH3. Yes, we will get this derivative. Where is that option? That is option B. Option B, I think so. Yes, CCH3 double bond NCH2CH3. So aldehyde or ketone, if they given along with a ammonia derivatives, maybe amines, maybe hydrazine, maybe semi-carbazide, maybe 2,4-DNP, all were what you have to do there. From the aldehyde or ketone, take the oxygen, and from the given ammonia derivative, take H2, just club them. And only one thing you have to be careful in semi-carbazide. You know, semi-carbazide, there are two NH2 group. You know very well which NH2 have to consider for the reaction, right? Okay, good. Next question. Which of the following does not answer iodoform test? Come on, dear all. Does not answer iodoform test. One of the expected question regarding iodoform test in this year in your paper. Which of the following does not answer iodoform test? Means which one do not contain that particular groups, you know. Those who are struggling with the structure, I hope my students do not struggle with this kind of structure, because these all are common compounds we studied. N-butyl alcohol, N-butyl alcohol, normal butyl alcohol, this one. Sec-butyl, what is sec-butyl, dear all? Sec-butyl, this is what sec-butyl compound with alcohol. Acetophenone, what is acetophenone? Benzene with COCH3 is called what? Acetophenone. And what about acetaldehyde? Acetaldehyde is what? CH3CHO, CH3CHO, right? So I hope you already ready with the answer. What is the answer? Option A. Option A? Yes, it's option A. Very good. Option A. Why option A? Dear all, once again I am reminding you, the iodoform test is given by aldehydes or ketones. They should contain CH3CO group. It is also given by alcohol. It's also given by alcohol with a group CH3CHOH group. CH3CHOH. So where these groups are not there, that you have to find out. Let's go with option A. It's not that. So option B, you see, yes, CH3CHOH is there. Option C, D, CH3CO group is there. Option D, CH3CO group is there. Yes. Option A do not contain which one? That particular group. So it won't give iodoform test. I think given correct answer. Good, all of you, keep going. Here we have another question. Few simple chemical tests are given below to differentiate between the pair of compound. Which of the following test is not correct for differentiation? Which is a mismatched one? Come on, find. Which test is a mismatched one? Which test is not? Regarding the distinguishing test, definitely there will be some question, because aldehyde ketone chapter, you know, many distinguishing tests are there. I think answers are ready. Answers are ready. Aditya, that's C. One answer I am getting C. Second answer from Reem, that is also C. Third Silpas, that is also C. Karthik, that is C. Then Tanvi, C, and Smriti, yes, all are given what? C is the correct answer. Let's check it. They are all propanol and propanone. One is aldehyde, one is ketone. Silver mirror test. Our tolerance test is yes, good, because propanol will give the test. Acetophenone and benzophenone, iodoform test. Yes, acetophenone will give, benzophenone do not. Ethanol and propanol, unfortunately both are aliphatic aldehyde. Ethanol and propanol both are aliphatic aldehyde. You know, Felling's test is given by all aliphatic aldehydes, right? So here distinction do not happen. Yes, let's go with option C. What about last? Benzoic acid, ethyl benzoate. This is an acid, this is an ester. Yes, acid will give sodium bicarbonate test. Yes, my dear students, you have the caliber to answer all MCQs, okay, all MCQs for your upcoming board examination. Only one thing I want to request you, that because of nervous, because of tension and all, don't try to mark a wrong answer, okay. Be conscious about the question, be sharp, be focused on the question and give your best answer. Okay, next question. Which of the following will not give aldol condensation? You know, you got the answer, you got the point, that which do not give aldol condensation mean which do not contain alpha hydrogen. Which one? Mostly they will give with the compounds, okay, be careful. You know, phenyl acetaldehyde. What is phenyl acetaldehyde? What is acetaldehyde? Acetaldehyde is CH3CHO. Phenyl acetaldehyde mean on this position there is a phenyl group. Okay, this is what phenyl acetaldehyde. What is 2-methylpentanol? 2-methylpentanol. This is what 2-methylpentanol. This CH3, 2-methylpentanol. Okay. What about benzaldehyde? Benzaldehyde you know very well. That benzaldehyde compound is what? Benzene with what? CHO. Benzene with the CHO. And 1-phenylpropanone. 1-phenylpropanone. You know this is what propanone. First position there is a phenyl ring. Okay. 1-phenylpropanone. So here you see dear all. Which of the following do not contain an alpha hydrogen? That actually we want to check it here. Yes, let's go. You know, this is the aldehyde, this is the alpha carbon, alpha hydrogen is there. It will give aldol. This is the aldehyde and this is the alpha hydrogen. It will also contain alpha hydrogen. It also will give aldol. And here, this is the ketone and this is the alpha hydrogen. Yes, its alpha hydrogen is there. It can give aldol condensation. What about this case? You know, benzaldehyde do not contain any alpha hydrogen. It do not respond to which one? It do not respond to aldol condensation. Yes, your answer is right. Option C. Yes, Reem, Tanvi, Amdarshan and Smriti all are given the correct answer. Good, all of you. Next question for you. The condensation product of benzaldehyde and acetone is. Tell me dear all, benzaldehyde and acetone when undergo condensation, that means our cross aldol, because two different products are there, so you will get cross aldol condensation. What is the product? You do yourself, I am doing from my side. So before my explanation, I hope you are ready with an answer. So let me go for the question, benzaldehyde and acetone. Okay, so benzaldehyde. This is what benzaldehyde, and acetone is what? CH3CO, CH3 acetone. So you know how to do the cross aldol product. Let me take one alpha hydrogen, give to this oxygen, and I am connecting these two carbon. So I will get benzene with CH. This O become OH, and it becomes CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Which is on heating. I think they already did the condensation, right? Condensation means what? Heating. Heating process, you know that OH and 1H, water eliminate. What you will get here? What we will get here? Benzene with CH, double bond, CH, single bond, CO, CH3. This is the product going to form. Can you identify where is this product? C6H5, C6H5, CH, double bond, CH, CO, CH3. Yes, answer is there. Option D. Very good. Very good. So happy to see your work. Okay. Yes, Chris, Smriti, G. Yes, that's the correct answer. Option D. So cross aldol condensation. Dear all, even CBSE they published some sample paper in your website where also they given as an MCQ cross aldol products. So cross aldol products, dear all, how to write and how to find, please revise once again. Yes, next question for you. Propanol on treatment with dilute sodium hydroxide gives which product? This is again aldol condensation. Again aldol condensation because dilute alkali is given here. Propanol is the one. So let me do one from my side. You do your side and give an answer very fast. This is propanol. Another propanol. It's reacting with the dilute alkali, dilute NaOH or dilute on alkali. How to do the process in aldol? Very simple manner. Take the second compound. Take one alpha hydrogen, give to this oxygen, and these two carbon connect it. How to do the aldol condensation? Quick way, dear all. From the second compound, take one alpha hydrogen, give to this oxygen, OH, and these two carbon just to connect it. You will get the compound CH3, CH2, CH, OH. Connect to this carbon CH, on which already one CH3 is there, CHO is there. Have they did? I think they didn't do the condensation process, dear all. They only treated with what? Aldol. They only treated with aldol. So no need to do for the condensation process. Where is this compound? CH3, CH2, CHOH, CHCH3, CHO. I find the answer. I got the answer. That is option C. I found the answer option C. Can you please cross check it, dear all? Option C. I think so. That is the correct answer. Is it option C? Is it option C? CH3, CH2, CH on which one OH is there, another CH on which one CH3 is there, then CHO is there. My dear students, can you please cross check and tell me whether it is correct or not, then I can proceed to the next question. Yes, Reem, correct, right? Yes, okay. Let's go for the next question for you. Which of the following does not undergo Cannizzaro reaction? Again, does not undergo Cannizzaro means there is an alpha hydrogen. Come on. Which does not undergo Cannizzaro reaction means there is an alpha hydrogen. Which compound contain an alpha hydrogen? That's it. Which compound contain an alpha hydrogen? Come on. I'm just doing the question very fast. Okay. This is what? Benzaldehyde. 2-methyl propanol, 2-methyl, yes, okay, 2-methyl, sorry, this is 2-phenyl, 2-methyl propanol, okay, and the other one, para-methoxybenzaldehyde, para-methoxybenzaldehyde, okay, OCH3, and 2,2-dimethyl propanol, 2,2-dimethyl propanol, okay. Tell me, dear all, which one not having or which one contain an alpha hydrogen? You know, benzaldehyde, no alpha hydrogen. I think it's option B. Yes, option B. This is the alpha carbon. Yes, my dear student, that's contain one alpha hydrogen. So it won't give what? Cannizzaro reaction. See benzaldehyde here. This is also aldehyde, no alpha hydrogen. Yes, I will go with option B with you. Right? B, 2-methyl propanol is the one. So it's actually simple. It's actually simple. You know, Cannizzaro, aldol, actually simple. But during examination, again, I'm reminding you, don't be panic. So you think about it. Cannizzaro. So what is Cannizzaro? Cannizzaro means the compound which do not contain alpha hydrogen will give the test. Here they are saying which do not give Cannizzaro, which means they contain an alpha hydrogen. So that point you fix in mind, then you go for the answer. Okay, so let me go for the next one. Identify X and Y in the given reaction. Identify X and Y. I think you no need any help here in this question. Answer is there. You find it and tell me the answer. First compound is acetophenone. Benzene with the COCH3. Treating with the KMNO4. You know, alkaline KMNO4 is a strong oxidizing agent. And later on hydrolysis, it giving Y. Which one? Which one? Simple question, simple question, simple question. Acetophenone, it's a ketone, dear all. This is COCH3. This is COCH3, acetophenone. Acetophenone treated with the KMNO4 and KOH, alkaline KMNO4. You know, ketone on oxidation, it will give you what? It will give you that acid, right? It will give you the carboxylic acid. Or carboxylic acid, or it's a potassium, so you will get that what? Cook, right? Cook, right? Cook, potassium salt of benzoic acid. Later on acid hydrolysis, that become what? That is COOH. I hope you are already ready with the answer. That is option. Which one? Yeah, I think that option, while seeing, be careful. A, B, C, D, like that is given, right? Yeah. Yes, ketone. Yes, ketone on strong oxidation will get what? Carboxylic acid. You can directly write it as carboxylic acid also if it is a conversion question something. But here you see they given as carboxylic acid. Either we can select this also. It's even acid. Anyways, D and B we can cut it. That is alcohol, right? No. Ketone on oxidation you will get acid. So either this or this is correct. But you see the second acid hydrolysis they are giving aldehyde. That is not possible, right? So therefore I selected. First it become that cook, that potassium salt of benzoic acid. Later it become what? Carboxylic acid. I think answer B is most correct. Yes or no? B is the correct one. Correct? Do you have any other opinion? It's not that it's like the another reaction. Tell me, dear all, fast. Don't waste your time. Only 10 minutes left. Only 10 minutes left. Come on, fast, quick. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes. Yeah, this one is the answer, right? This is C. This is C. This is C. Okay, this is C. Yeah, dear all, this is A, B, C, D. C is correct. Okay, my dear. Yes, let's go. In a set of the given reaction, acetic acid yield a product C. Can you find what is this product C? Come on, my dear students, take a notebook, write the reaction very fast. Your answer is here. Find it. I am doing from my side because many questions we have to go ahead. That is CH3. Acid react with the PCl5, thionyl chloride and all, you will get acid chloride. Acid chloride when react with the benzene, which undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation, you will get benzene with COCH3, that is acetophenone. Acetophenone when react with the Grignard reagent, C2H5 MgBr, what happened here all? Grignard reagent reacting with the ketone. Sorry, Grignard, yeah, Grignard reagent is Mg plus this minus will attack, here become O minus, you will get benzene with the CO minus to the minus MgBr will attack, here already one CH3 is there and one C2H5 also attacked, and later it's on hydrolysis, you will get OH here, you will get benzene with the CH3, then C2H5 and here one OH group. This is the final product. You can able to notice where it is. C6H5, COH, CH3, C2H5. Yes, answer is the right. Very good, my dear. Option D is the correct answer. Option D. First, what is the reaction? Acid with the PCl5, acid chloride. Acid chloride with the benzene in presence of AlCl3, Friedel-Crafts acylation. After Friedel-Crafts acylation, getting a ketone here, react with the Grignard reagent, product is what? An alcohol. Yes, answer option D. Yes, next question. Identify X, Y, Z in the reaction. Dear all, I am starting with the CH3CHO. CH3CHO, K2Cr2O7, acidified K2Cr2O7 is a very strong oxidizing agent. Aldehyde become carboxylic acid. This acid when treated with a PCl5, it become acid chloride COCl. After that it's treated with again benzene. The same reaction we discussed now. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Product is acetophenone. Yes, my dear. Where is the answer? Where is the answer? Just pick out. That is, this is the compound X. This is the compound Y. This is the compound Z. Where it is? CH3COH. CH3COCl, CCH5COH, right? I think it's option B. I think it is option B. Yes, Smriti. Reem, yes, already given. BG also, yes, good. I think the conversion question here all very quickly we have to do it because now you studied, you wrote many previous board examination. Now you are thorough about the reaction and all, so quickly do it. Next one, which of the following will not, this is the question which I said, which will not undergo HVZ reaction. In order to undergo HVZ reaction, alpha hydrogen should be there. So do not undergo HVZ reaction mean no alpha hydrogen. Check it where it is. In which acid no alpha hydrogen? I will just to go with the answer. If you say one command, I will just to go with that answer. I will cross check it. Yes, yes, okay, thank you all, right. So which of the following will not undergo HVZ reaction? I think the answers are ready. Option D is the correct answer given. You are going with option D. Yes, let me check it here all. What is this compound? 2,2-dimethyl propanoic acid. Propanoic acid is this one. 2,2-dimethyl, second position 2-methyl group. Yes, my dear student, this carbon, no alpha carbon, no alpha hydrogen, so it do not give on HVZ reaction. Your answer is correct. I will go with option D with you. Yes, option D is the correct answer. Next question, come on dear all. This is a collaborated question from the chapter alcohol, phenols and ether and carboxylic acid chapter. Come on. What is the correct order of increasing acidic strength? Come on. You have phenol. You have ethanol, phenol and ethanol and chloroacetic acid, and we have acetic acid. Come on, my dear students, which one is more acidic? Or what is the correct order of acidity? Come on. I think Tiwari, no problem. Okay, keep that answer with you. No problem. I think option C is given as the correct answer. Dear all, what is the idea? What is the idea here we have to apply? See, dear all, these are both carboxylic acid. No doubt, carboxylic acids are more acidic than alcohol. Among these two acids, I can say this is more acidic because chlorine electron withdrawing group is there. If there is an electron withdrawing group, more acidic. So this is most sure more acidic one. After this, I can go with this one because this is another carboxylic acid. And my question, among phenol and ethanol, which is more acidic, dear all? Phenol is more acidic because after losing H plus ion, phenoxide ion is forming. It is more stable. So first, second, third and fourth. I think the answer is chloroacetic acid. Yes, that's enough. Option C. Option C, right? Option C, because chloroacetic acid is containing chlorine. Chlorine is a withdrawing group, it make more acidic. Then acetic acid, then phenol, then ethanol. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, my dear. Next one, Cannizzaro reaction is given by. Which one can give Cannizzaro? Come on fast, because many questions we did like this one today. Tell me, Cannizzaro reaction is given by what? Cannizzaro reaction means there is no alpha hydrogen. Where is the answer? Where is the answer? Where is the answer? Where is the answer? Very quick, okay? Very quick. Don't make mistake. Please don't make mistake, my dear. That is what? Option B, right? Option B, benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde, you know, there is no alpha hydrogen. I think there is one more option is correct, right? Is it? I don't think so. But because I can see some different answers also. So dear all, benzaldehyde, no alpha hydrogen. Here alpha hydrogen is there, and you see this this compound C. See, there is no alpha hydrogen. Here no alpha hydrogen. Here no alpha hydrogen. And what about this case, dear all? This is the aldehyde. This is the alpha carbon. Here there in this compound also what? No alpha hydrogen. No alpha hydrogen. So what is the question they mean actually? What is the question that mean actually? Can you say there is any correction on something? Once again, dear all, Cannizzaro reaction is given by. Cannizzaro reaction is, if it want to give, there should not be any alpha hydrogen, right? So this is no alpha hydrogen. Here no alpha hydrogen. Here also no alpha hydrogen. So I think the question we need to correct it as what? Which one can give, which one cannot give Cannizzaro reaction? Yes or no? Yes or no? Check it all of you. Check it all of you. Because option A, C, D, option A, B, C. Option A, B, C do not contain any alpha hydrogen. You know, they can give Cannizzaro reaction. Yes or no? Yeah. So what is the thing we can correct here? Cannizzaro reaction is not given by. Not given by. So let's go with option what? Option D can be the correct answer. If it's so correct or not. Come on all of you, if it's so correct or not? Cannizzaro reaction not given by option D, correct or not? Yes? Everyone? Okay, fine. Let's go for the next question. The Rosenmunder reaction can be produced which of the following carbonyl compound? Quick. Rosenmunder reaction can produce which of the following carbonyl compound? Come on dear all, come on dear all. I will go with C and D. Definitely I will cut it. Don't say that answer in the chat box, because ketone do not produced by this one. Only aldehyde are produced. Which aldehyde? Which aldehyde? Benzaldehyde, right? You studied benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride, when react with hydrogen, palladium, barium sulfate and all, it will give you what? Benzaldehyde CHO, right? This is what? Rosenmunder reduction. Option B, yes my dear, that's a correct answer. Next question, acetone combined with, this is an NCERT type of question. Acetone, what is acetone? CH3CO, CH3. Acetone react with ethylene glycol. What is ethylene glycol? CH2, CH2. OH. Acetone react with ethylene glycol. What it produce? This reaction we studied under the area nucleophilic addition. Very simple. This HO, water cut all of you. You will get CH3, CH3. Then we have OCH2, O. You will get a ring compound. What it is called? It is given in NCERT textbook. This is called what? This is called what? This is called what? Cyclic ketals, right? Cyclic ketals, yes, option B. Cyclic ketals will form, cyclic structure form. This is under nucleophilic addition reaction. Read the textbook carefully, dear all. Now, the formation of cyanohydrin from a ketone is an example of the same type of one question we discussed before. You know, cyanohydrin product formed with a ketone, what we call nucleophilic addition reaction. I think already the question we discussed second time. One question remaining. Benzoic acid react with the concentrated, come on my dear student, benzoic acid react with the concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. What is the product going to form? What happened? Benzoic acid react with what? Concentrated HNO3. You know very well benzoic acid. Acid is a meta-directing group, my dears. Acid is a meta-directing group. So we can say that nitro group go to which place? The meta position. You will get meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Yes, my dears, option 3 is the correct answer. Very carefully check it. The existing group is meta or ortho para directing. Here, heating a mixture of sodium benzoate and soda lime gives. Come on. This is sodium benzoate. React with the soda lime. What is soda lime? NaOH and CaO. Come on. What is the product forming here? One of the simple question. Sodium salt of benzoic acid when treat with the soda lime, what we get? Yes, nothing but it undergo decarboxylation. Form the product what? Benzene. Let's go with option B. Yes, my dear, easy question, right? Very good. Next one. Which of the following compound with the molecular formula C5H10 yield acetone on ozonolysis? Which of the following compound with the molecular formula, let me give you C5H10, which will give acetone on ozonolysis. Let me write the structure very fast, dear all. 2-methyl-2-butene. Check it all of you. 2-methyl-2-butene. Okay, this is the compound. Dear student, my question, whether it can give acetone or not. Can you say? Whether it can give acetone or not. Yes, Reem, the byproduct is in Na2CO3. Yeah, Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate is the byproduct in decarboxylation. And dear all, how to do ozonolysis in one step? Just cut the double bond. And put oxygen left and right. So what is the product left side? Left side you have CH3, CO, CH3. What is this? This is acetone. Right? So acetone giving means what? It is a ozonolysis process. Yes, acetone is going to form. That's nothing but option 1 itself will give you the correct answer. So my dear students, ozonolysis part, be careful. You try with the other compound that won't give you any acetone compound. So here they are asking which will give acetone on ozonolysis. Acetone is propanone. It's getting from this one. So MCQ question while doing, no need to go behind the ozonolysis, the ring and all. Directly cut the double bond, oxygen left and right. So my dear, so I think important area, mainly they ask from your aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid chapter from the named reaction and distinguishing test and nucleophilic addition, acidity based question. These are the main area you have to focus on. Aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. Hope you got a good idea and you revise almost the chapter, all reactions now. So thank you everyone, and I hope you all are there. Yes. I think the time is over. Around 5 minutes we take an extra. I think second session, 8 o'clock, the biology session is going to start. My dear students, thank you all. Goodbye and not good night now. Be ready here. Be online for the biology session. After that, you go for a good sleep. Thank you all. Bye.